Jordan Webster.
And I'm Sean White. During Safety Week, we're focused on 1 second, one choice. And specifically, those choices, when applied to your fall arrest program, can prevent serious injuries and save a life. Fall restraint is one of the preferred measures, but fall arrest best practices are the focus of this video. Particularly, proper harness lanyard fit, maintenance, how to stay 100% tied off, 100% of the time from moving from anchor point to anchor point.
Fall arrest and fall restraint are not interchangeable terms. Fall arrest protects a worker should an incident occur. Fall restraint prevents the worker's center of gravity from taking them over the leading edge. Rope grabs should never be used as horizontal arrest devices. If a rope grab is used as a lifeline, it must be a vertical setup. A proper fall arrest system limits any fall to no more than 6 feet from the D-ring between the worker's shoulder blades, not from their feet. All anchor points should be independent and able to support 5,000 pounds per employee attached. With gloves off, inspect the harness for defects such as cuts, chemical burns, and dry rot. Check lanyard hooks for proper operation to ensure they remain closed when a fall occurs. Leg straps should fit tight and be seated on the worker's rear. A correct fit only allows 3 fingers between the worker's leg and the leg strap. Chest straps should be directly across the chest zone. One second, one choice, to remain 100% tied off 100% of the time. Always have a rescue strategy as part of your pre-task plan. Falls are one of the fatal 4 and account for 38.7% of industry fatalities. This is a friend, a teammate, and a family member at risk. The consequences of a severe injury or fatality are devastating for everyone involved.
How often are we walking on sites, seeing workers that are at heights, tied off, and walking past thinking they're okay, without ever asking any questions? Complacency on construction projects can have catastrophic effects. Ensure that your workers are properly trained.
Don't assume. Ask questions. Above all, take 1 second, one choice to speak up and save a life.